Hello, friends. Welcome to YouTube channel Tech Guru Gautam Prasad. And this is part 9 of the rigging basics video. This video is on EOT crane lifting attachments. So basically, different types of lifting attachments are used in EOT cranes for lifting different types of the loads. So we will explore here what are those different types of lifting arrangements or lifting tackles that is used in the EOT crane. Uh, here are few some basic type of the lifting attachments used in the crane. So we have bale tong. We will see what are bale tongs, billet tongs, box tong, crate tong, cylinder tong, die lifting tong, ingot tong, mill roll tong, paper roll tong, pipe tong, slab tong, tube tongs. Basically, there are different types of tongs uh, we are discussing here. There are different types of lifting attachments apart from the tongs we use in the EOT cranes. So we will go through them also. So here is the bale tong. Basically, bale tongs are specialized in lifting requirements of certain bales, basically like materials like cotton, paper, and other things. And these tongs utilize wide gripping surface area, like you can see the construction is as such. It is able to hold the material very firmly and tightly so that it doesn't slip. So load stability, and it provides load stability and can be used with automatic latch mechanism for open person of one person operation. Bell tongs, here there is a picture that is showing you how this bell tong is being used for lifting material uh, that is very much carrying a very high load, and it is firmly and easily lifting uh, with the help of a bell tong. So key features of the bell lifting tongs are as follows. Lifting capacity is designed to lift a specific weight of the bells. So this is basically a bell that is being lifted. Gripping surface, wide surface ensures a stable grip on the load. So latching mechanism, many tongs have automatic latching or locking mechanism for safety and ease of operation. Compatibility designed to work with EOT cranes and their hoisting system. So material handling used for lifting and transporting bales of papers, cotton, and other similar kind of the materials. So this type of bell tong is used for variety of purposes. So bell tongs are have also been seen shown here. Different types of bell constructions are there. So this is one. The another type is being used for lifting part of the gear. So UT cranes are equipped with well lifting tongs commonly found in warehouses for loading and unloading of the storage of bales, manufacturing facilities for handling bales in the process where they need to be lifted, moved, or stacked. In the paper mills for moving paper rolls or bales, textile mills or textile industries for handling bales of the cotton. Uh, Built uh, different types of lifting tongs are there. Uh, while belt tongs are a specific type, and other lifting tongs are also used in the UT cranes, such as supporting tongs for objects with the clearance underneath, like crates and containers, and pressure tongs for the objects with the vertical sides, and like slabs, boxes, and billets. So pressure tongs are utilized to exert pressure on the material so that it does not slip, and other specialty tongs for a specific, tasks like lifting ingots, die, and coils. So here, bell tongue grab for the straw bell collection has been shown. Here, different types of bell tongues have been shown constructionally, like for a pile of the tubes. This type of bell tongue is uh, used for a cylindrical material. This type of the bell tongue is used for you know mm, mm, materials like billets and all lifting. This type of they are basically scissor type of the tongs, but they are called bell type of the tongs because uh, they are able to catch the bells of the materials. So this is a cylindrical type of bell tong. All these are so for vertical lifting or horizontal lifting, different types of bell tongs are employed. So variety of materials, variety of such attachments to the crane are used. So model numbers are given. This is for website of the company where from this picture has been taken, and these are the different types of the bell tongs manufactured by that provider. So here also in continuation with the bell tongs, different types of bell tongs have been shown here as well, and their model number is given. So it is of zero point 0.5 ton capacity. This is of 5 ton capacity, 1.5 ton capacity. These pads lined with the non-marring rubber so that they do not damage the material they are holding. So special arrangements are given. The pads pivot to facilitate lifting rolls of various widths, and fixed pads for constant widths, fixed pad for constant width like it is given here. So here also different types of bell tongs have been shown. Okay. So a crate tong is a specialized lifting device, also known as a box tong, and designed to be used with the electric overhead traveling crane for the safe and efficient handling of the boxes or the crates. And these tongs come in various forms such as self-locking and self-centering type, and can be tailored to the specific crate size and weight. So, if you order with the manufacturer according to the size of the crate, they will perhaps develop a tong for you according to the size of the crate or box you are having. So the applications are quite visible. Crate tongs are commonly used in various industries for handling and moving boxes for the crates and other similar containers, including, you know, these are used in the manufacturing industries for handling finished goods, raw materials, and components. And in the logistics, they are used for moving goods in the warehouses and distribution centers and freight terminals. In the construction industry, it is used for lifting and placing prefabricated building components. In the shipping industries, it is used for loading and unloading of the containers. In the warehouses, it is used for stacking and retrieving goods stored in racks or shelves. So here there is a crate tong that has been shown, and that is lifting a roller pair. There are two rolls in pair, and they are being lifted with the help of a crate tong. So its construction is like a box. That is why it is called a crate tong. But the scissor technique has been employed here. You can see different types of lifting attachments have been shown in this slide. Like this is a C type hook, and this is an ingot slab handling uh, type of lifting attachment, and lifting beam. This is basically a spreader beam that spreads the load across this beam. And this is a rotating crane hook that is capable of rotating with the slabs they are holding. And this is a seat or the plate handling uh, kind of a spreader beam. And there are different types of here also. This attachment is being used for lifting multiple slabs at a time. And uh, uh, this attachment is having multiple magnets hanging on a spreader beam, and this can lift the materials like billet, etc. So for the pellet lifting, this type of attachment is used. Coil and the seat lifters, this type of attachment is used. Lifting tongs for handling of the coils. These are the pellet handler lifters. These are the pellet lifters. And again, this is a lifting tong, weld tong that we had seen. So different types of solutions are provided by the uh, crane manufacturers in terms of crane attachments or crane tackles for lifting different types of loads. Crane hoist attachments have been shown again here in this slide as well. So the this vertical lifting of the plate, horizontal lifting of the plate, and there are different types of n number of types of attachment. Like here, drum turner is a kind of this is in the case of the ladle, this type of attachment is used. Uh, let's proceed. So here is the crane that I was talking about. It is holding a ladle, and this has to be tilted. As you can see in this picture, there is auxiliary hoist apart from this main hoist. That is auxiliary hoist is letting it tilt. It is tilting the ladle so that it is able to pour the hot metal inside the vessel. So this type of huge cranes are used in the manufacturing industries like steel industry or any other kind of processing industry. This is a C hook, and this is a double hook with C block. Here also we have a double hook with C block, and this is a spreader beam. Two hooks are there just for holding the ladles like this. And crane hoist attachments here, a fixed bar tongue, adjustable bar tongue, gripping tongue, etc. And how they work, that has been shown. How they grip the material, it has been shown in these pictures below the colored pictures. So these are called grab buckets, and here there is a picture that is showing you how the scales are being removed with the help of grab bucket from the pit. So this is a pit with this well-like a structure is a pit, and scales are coming and deposited here, and they have to be removed with the help of these grab buckets. And these grab buckets open their mouth when they are you know sunk into this pit, and when they are lifted, they grab the material or the scales inside, and they are taken out of the pit and mm, unloaded on the floor, ground floor. Here is the actual grab bucket in open condition. This has been shown. This is a picture. Uh, Here, I have tried to show you a electromagnet, basically holding some scrap material. So when this electromagnet is powered, it lifts the scrap material. Otherwise, this type of a scrap material is very difficult to lift. So for this type of lifting requirement, electromagnets are best suited, and this is a round magnet basically. Here also round magnet is there, but they are hanging down the spreader beam. Uh, And this spreader beam is lifted with the help of the crane. And when these magnets are powered, they are able to lift the ferrous materials. So here, that rectangular electromagnet, not round one, electromagnetic, multiple rectangular magnets are there, and they are basically electromagnets. When they are powered, they are able to lift piles of, bars are here, and they are able to lift them. So here, roll lifting beams are there. So different types of spreader beam, supported at two places, supported at one place, and supported at both the sides with the help of chain sling. So different types of spreader beams are available in the market for different requirements. Here, this is a motorized roll lifter. So basically, this end and this end is able to, move, and that is why they are able to lift rolls like this. So roll lifting devices, a roll lifting beam, motorized roll lifter, roll gripping tongs, and roll lifting C hooks. So roll lifting devices has these four types of the tackles in the market. This is a roll lifting C hook. With the help of this C hook, uh, use uh, we use it to lift the rolls like this. Pellet lifting, uh, for the material uh, like this, a stacked material like this type of pellet is used for lifting. So here again, the tongue is there for lifting this type of drum, and a person is there who is operating it with the help of a pendant. So basically, this is also called tube tongue, because it is able to lift materials like, tubes. So pipe lifting tongue are these. This is a pipe lifting tongue, another pipe lifting tongue, yet another pipe lifting. So here it is slab lifting tongue, different types of slabs here, here, and here. All these three pictures are showing you how this slab lifting tongues, how these slab lifting tongues are lifting slabs. So this one is lifting single slab, this one is lifting multiple slabs at a time, and this one is also lifting, single slab. So here paper rolls uh, are being lifted carefully so that they are not damaged. You know, so special padding is given in these tongs basically to non-damaging surface to avoid any kind of, harm it does to the product, finished product. So here also mill roll lifting tong is there. So a pair of rolls are there being lifted. So entire arrangement has been made in terms of tackle so that the whole thing is lifted safely and transported to uh, a place where it is required. So here also entire stand of the roll is being lifted. Ingot is being lifted in this picture. Here also ingot is being lifted. So ingot lifting tong is designed in such a manner that it is supported at four places with the help of ropes. You can see three are visible. One is hiding in behind this, seat block. So the whole arrangement is like this. Tripod derrick. This is basically a derrick, and it is used for multiple purposes. Like a safety tripod and winch is mainly used for rescue operation in the high altitude or the cliff or confined space, such as underground pipes, shaft, and access pit, closed container, etc. Widely used by firefighting or municipal administration, mining, uh, etc. For the in the rescue situation. The rescue tripod is temporary transportable anchor device for confined space activities, and it is also suitable for utilization combined with rescue devices. The safety tripod is anchorage uh, tripod is anchorage connector for typical confined space and rescue system. So here you can see this is a tripod and this is a hoisting and lowering mechanism. Uh, uh, so rope is going to this place and there is a pulley here that can take the load upward or downward. So specifications are given in this manner. So here somebody is, the tripod has been fixed above this hole and the person is hanging in air with the help of the tripod derrick. So as you can see, the tripod is lifting the load in such this manner. So for a small load lifting, this type of tripod is also employed. Here, some sewage work is there being done, and that is hanging with the help of this tripod derrick. In the case of the pipeline, these tripod derricks also help in doing those jobs. Construction site also uses this tripod derrick, and in the sewer work maintenance kind of the job, this tripod derrick is in the pits also sometimes this tripod derrick is used. In the well also this tripod derrick is sometimes used. So these are different types of the pictures showing you usage of tripod derrick. So this is rigging tackle that is used at multiple places. Uh, this is rook cap. This is the rook cap and buckle. This is the buckle and self-locking winch is there. Self-locking in the sense it will not, uh, it will stop, lowering in case the load is, having the load is trying to lower itself. So it will prevent any kind of free lowering. So these tripod legs are length adjustable with easy to insert uh, ball detent pins, and thus the height is also adjustable. So height of this tripod can be adjusted according to requirement. So thank you very much for taking interest in the subject and staying up to the last slide of the presentation. So hope you liked the video. So do not forget to uh, give a thumbs up. Uh, if you have any query, you can write in the comment section. If you have any suggestion, that also can be included in the comment section. And of course, don't forget to subscribe the channel if you want to get any updated video from this channel. So stay tuned. Thank you so much.